Okay, so this is the peak that we tried to climb in a snowstorm yesterday. You can almost see the trail up on that white part there. Sun's on it at the moment, so conditions are definitely better, but we've got a bit of a trek before we get there. Much nicer day. So I leaned against one of these massive trees to stretch my ITB out, and bloody thing nearly fell over. Bloody tree was massive. Massive like this one. So here's a little tip for you. Don't touch the trees, even the real big ones. That was kind of scary. Now I'm basically looking at all these potential fall hazards everywhere. Oh well, walking through a tree graveyard. What difference a day makes. I'm halfway up to the viewpoint where I was yesterday when I was caught in that blizzard / snowstorm. The mountains are almost showing themselves for the viewpoint. That top peak, that's where we got turned around from. But if you have a look at this ridge line, see all the black spots? They're all people going up. There's a trail there. So it's a little bit busy. I've come later in the day for better conditions. Hopefully we'll get a view later. Not sure if you can see all those tiny little black dots going up. There's about half a dozen people on that face. That's where we're heading next. And hopefully these mountains, the cloud clears and we should have a wicked view. Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear me. This is the peak that we got turned around with yesterday. We got probably about 30 meters before the summit of where I'm standing now. Today's a little bit more friendly. We made it up here, but she's super windy. Taking my glove off to do this video. There's Lake Argentina in the background. Big guys there, somebody cloud. Now we're going to go down to that lagoon. So all the treks in El Chaltén are all designed about trekking around the Fitz Roy mountain range. Looking at it from different angles, from the north, from the south, from the east, from the west, from all over. Sometimes he shows himself, sometimes he doesn't. But there's a microclimate here. That's why it changes hour to hour. And if you're not ready for it, you're going to find out. But it's Mother Nature at its absolute best. Created after the last ice age, 10,000 years ago. When all the glaciers crushed all the rock, the ice melted, the water receded and washed everything away except for the granite that was left. And that's what has created the Fitz Roy mountain range. Time for a beer.